Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about group and some examples. Binary operations. Let Z be a non-empty set. Then Z cross Z is the collection of order pairs AB such that A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z. If f is a function from Z cross G into Z, then f is said to be a binary operation on the set G. For any ordered pair xy of elements xy belongs to G, a binary operation assigns a third member of G. For example, plus is a binary operation on set of integers Z, which assigns 3 to the pair 2, 1, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, or to the pair 1, 2, which gives 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. If star is a binary operation on Z, we write A star B for star AB, where A, B are elements of G. Since the image of star is a subset of G, we say that G is closed under star. Z is closed under addition, since if we add two integers, we obtain an integer. Since 5 and 8 belongs to n and 5 minus 8, which gives minus 3, is not a member of n. Therefore, we see that minus is not a binary operation on n, and we say that n is not closed under subtraction. Similarly, division of integers is not a binary operation on the integers, because an integer divided by an integer need not be an integer. Since 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, but 2 by 3 is not an integer. Similarly, 3 by 2 is not an integer. So, division of integers is not a binary operation on the set of integers. Algebraic structure. A non-empty set G equipped with one or more binary operations is called an algebraic structure. Suppose star is a binary operation on G. Then G star, that is the set G together with star, is an algebraic structure. Example, let M2R be the set of all 2 by 2 matrices over the set of reals R. That is M2R is the collection of all 2 by 2 matrices of the form A, B, C, D, such that A, B, C, D belongs to R. Let plus denote the usual addition of matrices and dot denote the usual multiplication of matrices. Since addition or multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices over R is a 2 by 2 matrix over R, it follows that plus or dot is a binary operation on M to R. Hence, M to R plus dot is an algebraic structure. Some examples of algebraic structures are n plus, that is set of natural numbers together with the binary operation plus, z plus, z minus, r plus dot, q plus dot are all algebraic structures. Addition and multiplication are both binary operations on the set R of real numbers. Therefore, R plus dot is an algebraic structure equipped with two operations, plus and dot, that is usual addition and multiplication. Definition: a binary operation star in G is said to be associative if for all A, B, C belongs to G. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. A binary operation star in G is said to be commutative if for all A, B, C belongs to G, A star B is equal to B star A. Semigroup: an algebraic structure G star is called a semigroup if the binary operation star is associative, that is, if A star B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A, B, C belongs to G. The set n of natural numbers is a semigroup with respect to addition of natural numbers. Similarly, the algebraic structure n dot, z plus, r plus are all semigroups. Group: let Z be a set together with a binary operation star that assigns to each ordered pair AB of elements of G an element in Z denoted by A star B. We say G is a group under this operation if the following three properties are satisfied. First, associativity. The operation star is associative, that is, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A, B, C in G. Identity. There is an element E called the identity of the group. There is an element E called the identity of G such that A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Inverses. For each element A in Z, there is an element B in Z called an inverse of A, such that A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E. Abelian group. If a group has the property that A star B is equal to B star A for every pair of elements A and B, we say that the group is abelian. A group is non-abelian if there is some pair of elements A and B for which A star B is not equal to B star A. Now, examples of group. Example 1. The set R of real numbers for the binary operation of addition is a group with 0 as the identity element and minus A as the inverse of A. Here the inverse of 5 is minus 5, inverse of 6 is minus 6, etc. Sum of two real numbers is again a real number, and A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, here R together with a binary operation usual addition is an abelian group whose identity element is 0. Example 2. The set of integers z and the set of rational numbers q are all groups under ordinary addition. In each case, the identity element is 0 and the inverse of A is minus A. That is, inverse of 1 is minus 1, inverse of 2 is minus 2, inverse of 5 is minus 5, etc. Example 3. The subset G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I of the complex numbers is a group under complex multiplication. Here minus 1 is its own inverse because minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So, minus 1 is its own inverse, whereas the inverse of I is minus I. Since I into minus I is equal to minus I square is equal to 1. Therefore, I is inverse of minus I and minus I is inverse of I. Example 4. The set R star of non-zero real numbers for the binary operation of multiplication is a group with 1 as identity element and 1 by A as the inverse of A. The same is true of the set Q star of non-zero rational numbers or the set C star of non-zero complex numbers. Example 5. A rectangular array of the form A, B, C, D is called a 2 by 2 matrix. The set of all 2 by 2 matrices with real entries is a group under component wise addition, that is A1, B1, C1, D1 plus matrix A2, B2, C2, D2 is equal to component wise addition is equal to A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2, C1 plus C2 and D1 plus D2. The identity is 0, 0, 0, 0 and inverse of ABCD is minus of A, minus of B, minus of C, minus of D. For example, suppose a 2 by 2 matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4 whose inverse is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Example 6. The set of integers under subtraction is not a group since the operation is not associative. As two minus 3 minus 5 is not equal to 2 minus of 3 minus of 5. Example 7. The complex number c is equal to a plus bi such that ab are real, I square is equal to minus 1 are a group under the operation a plus bi plus c plus di is equal to a plus c plus b plus di. The inverse of a plus bi is minus of a minus of bi. The non-zero complex numbers c star are a group under the operation a plus bi into c plus di is equal to ac minus bd plus ad plus bc into I. The inverse of a plus bi is equal to 1 by a plus bi is equal to 1 by a plus bi into a minus bi by a minus bi, which is the conjugate of a plus bi, is equal to 1 by a square plus b square into a minus 1 by a square plus b square into bi. Example 8. The set Rn of n tuples a1, a2, an such that a1, a2 up to an belongs to R is a group under component wise addition, that is a1, a2 up to an plus b1, b2, bn is equal to component wise addition. This is a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, an plus bn. In this case, n tuples of 0 elements, that is 0, 0, 0 up to 0 is the identity element of Rn, and inverse of a1, a2, an is minus of a1, minus of a2, minus of an. This is about groups and its examples.